Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and as I promised in my last video, I will have the Mother's Day limited edition box from Glossybox. I have to say that I love their limited edition boxes. Always I got great products. I think in the last 2 years I got all the limited edition boxes that Glossybox had, because they were more affordable than other limited edition boxes. Always they had a $40 price, I believe, or 35, depend if you remember or not, if you have the subscription. And this box doesn't make any exception. I love the box. The box looks really beautiful with this pink rose. It's a really nice box, and also here on the sides it's really pretty. And let's see what's in this one. Comes as the regular subscription with the card and this black bow. Here is the card with the details regarding all the products. I don't know what's in this box. It's new for me also. I didn't see any spoilers. And the first thing that I see here is the box inside. The first thing that I'm seeing in here, it's from Skin Demetri James. This name says something to me. I don't know when, where or how I came across with this one, but anyway, it's Skin Demetri James Infusion Recovery and Renew Single-Use Facial Mask. The packaging looks really nice. This is the first product, and this one, four of these are $40. They have details regarding any product, about each product, but I'm not gonna read all of those. If you want more details, let me know and I'll put them in the description box. So here is the first. Actually, we got 4 of them in this box. So just 4 of those are $40. Those 4 masks are covering the price for this box, which I think it's amazing. Probably the masks are good also, but and this one has lavender, tamarind seeds and dry apples, lactic acid and vitamin C as ingredients. So as I said, it's great. It just those 4 cover the price of the box, which is not bad at all. What do you think about this? So the next product in here, it's Invisibubble. The hair ring are those, and this box comes with 3. I got some of those. Those are the ones that are here are more fine than the other ones that I got in Beach Box limited edition. Those one right here looks way better than the other ones. I tried them and I have to say that I like them. They work really well. This one has some color in it, so those are nice to use, and those are nice for the fact that they don't break your hair. So the next product in here, it's a full-size Lancome. This one is Renergy Multi Glow, and this one, it's a reviving cream in a full size, which looks like this. The Invisibubble, the hair rings are $8, the 3 of them. It's a full size, actually $8. And the Lancome Renergy Multi Glow, this one is a full size also. it says here the full size is 1.7, and I believe this one is a full size. It's 50 mils is this one, and this one is $79, so not bad at all. I love Lancome. I love their packaging, and the cream looks like this. So great to have a 79 cream in this box, which was 40. And also, in order to buy this box, you could use if you have Glossybox points or Look Fantastic points, you can link the two of them, the two of the accounts if you have, because I have the Glossybox and the Look Fantastic also. I link the accounts, and I can use the points that I'm getting on Look Fantastic or on Glossybox on each side. So it's great. Also, I use my points to get this box. Then we have Lauren B Beauty Beverly Hills Nail Couture. This is a nail polish, and this one is in shade Love. It's a baby pink. And this one in full size, which is a full size, it's $18. What I tried from this brand, from Lauren B, I tried some nail polish remover pads that were working great. I like the shade of this one. It's very light. Everything is pink in this box. And then we have, it seems like Lancome was my favorite product from this box, the cream. We'll see how the other one works. Then we have from Mamond, if I'm saying that right, probably not, is the Hydrating Beauty Water Flower Rose. It's a full size also. I heard many good things about this Korean brand, and this one is $23. Just this one. It's a toner, so I bet this one smells nice. It does have a very, very light scent, which I like, light and nice. Then we have a perfume sample. Is the Flower Bomb from Victor and Rolf. Is this guy, and I'm trying to see if they have anything here about this. I don't see anything in here. It's a sample. And the last product in the box, it's this still from Victor and Rolf, is the Flower Bomb soap. This one alone, it's $28. So let me know what do you think about this box. So far I think it's a great value for $40. You get this full size soap from Victor and Rolf, which is $28. The value of this is way over $200. You get the toner, and also all the products excepting the sample, the perfume sample, all the products are full size, which is not bad at all. You get the toner from Mamond, which is $23. Those for face mask, which are $40. The nail polish, which is a light, a very light pink. Those 3 hair rings. And the product that I like the most in the box is the Lancome Energy Multi Glow cream in a full size, and this one alone it's $79. So I think this is a great box, a great value. I will get their boxes if I'll be able to, if I will afford all the time, because they are well worth it. Great brands in here, great names, and I'm sure the products are great also. I will let you know about them probably in empties. And also I see in here, which I didn't see in my box, it's a lip product, the Beauty Crop, which I don't see it in here. No, actually it's here. I didn't saw this, sorry. So the box has one more product. I didn't saw that. Okay. At least I saw this in the in the picture. So this is the Beauty Crop Lip Brulee, and this one is $13. Look at the packaging, it's so nice, really cute. And also love the shade of this one. I'm trying to see, it's Brulee Scotch or something like that. Anyway, here is the shade of this. And here is the shade. So this was the last product in the box. Great addition, I would say. Lovely products and a great value. So let me know what do you think about this box, if it's worth it or not. I was talking about this in one of the beauty news a while ago. So I will keep doing the beauty news if you want me to do that. What I saw lately, if you like, but I didn't post it, if you like Burt's Bees, they have a spring, and if I'll remember, I'll put the links in the description box. They have a spring limited edition box, and if you want to see what kind of products they have in their boxes, which is $50, if you want to see, I have I think the winter one, or anyway, I have another limited edition box from Burt's Bees on my channel if you want to see that, and to make an idea about what's in their boxes, in case if you like them. And also, I don't know if I saw something else beside this box. I don't remember, but anyway, it was this box from Burt's Bees. If you wanna check that, I'll leave the link down below. I hope I'll remember too. If I don't, just remind me in the comments. So this was all in this box. I love the box, and I think it's well worth it. Also, the box itself is just gorgeous. So thank you so much again for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your comments, and also thank you so much for the support I get from my new subscribers. So you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon with Ulta free bags, free samples bags, because I got them a couple days ago, but I just didn't have time to film. So I'm gonna film today video after video, and I'll post them when I'll be able to. But for sure the next one is gonna be the Ulta free bags with 75% that I was talking about in one of the beauty news. I didn't have time to look in those, so I'm gonna film that right away, because I'm really curious to see what new goodies Ulta put in those bags. So see you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.